Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're working on an Otto Bernz torch, gasoline torch. This has been from early 1900s. I think patent date's 1906, but it's realistic to believe this would have been, this style was up into the early 20s. It should have a wooden handle attached to the throttle, if you would, to the control here, and it doesn't. That's gone. Maybe one day we'll put something together, but first and foremost, I just want to see if it'll work. And one of the very first things I noticed, there's nothing in that pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the pump apart, see what we can do with that. See if we can get our more pressure built up in here. Yeah, see, you're not gonna get anything if you don't have any kind of a packing on there. And we don't. I almost wonder if it's not stuck down inside of there. I don't know, guys. The more I think, I'm looking down in there. Let's see if you can see it. There it is. I think the original cup is still stuck down in there. I'm not really certain. There's something down in there. I don't exactly recall, and I'm not going to go back to the video and watch because I'm busy out here, how far along I showed on this, but I had come up with the solution to the plunger with a Coleman cup and even a Coleman nut that I had kind of flattened and modified to make it thread on to this plunger. However, I kept thinking I could see something down in there, and I kept looking and looking and looking, and I put the cup on there and sent the plunger down, but I never could get it to thread into that. It was like it was hitting something. So I got my picks out and I dug and I dug, and I could definitely feel something. Like you could feel you're digging into something. You knew it. So after bending one pack and staring at it for a while and getting frustrated, the thought occurred to me that the end of this is threaded. So somewhat logically means that whatever's stuck down there is probably also threaded. So without this top cap on, I sent the plunger down there all by itself. Lo and behold, out came this nasty old cup, which is what I was picking and digging at. You can see where I've kind of chewed it up, along with this nut that threads onto the plunger. So a real quick reassembly, guys, is going to look something like this. And this, the new cup, the nut, and I'm going to dump a little white gas in here and see if I can't get this thing to do something. Let's get in there. There we go. Well, that didn't turn out too bad at all. After I confirmed that it would work, I went ahead and cleaned it up and made a little handle there. Got it all looking nice and sharp. I've already burned it once with this, so it's already started to discolor. It doesn't take much, but it's not really a showpiece so much as just something cool to have. Now it's nice and cleaned up, and can put it on the shelf. Alright guys, that's what I have for you. Just a quick video on a little old Otto Bernz torch. As always, thank you all very much for watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments, and all that good stuff. Do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.